Our next topic is increasing or decreasing decimals. You can control the number of decimals that appear with numeric data using increase and decrease decimal. So this is increase and this is decrease decimal. So what you have to do is for that, first of all, here you can see I have taken percentage of students. Now I want these percentage in decimals order. So what I will do is, first of all, I will just select the whole area and then go to increase decimal. Just click once and now here you can see the changes. 66.6, and if I click once again, I'll get 66.60. So this is how you can do the decimal, like increase or decrease the decimal. Like now I'm clicking on decrease decimal. Just see the changes. One more time. Okay. So I have decreased all the decimals and here I have increased. So this is how you can increase or decrease the decimal places. Okay. Next is adding conditional formatting. Now here in this tab you can see conditional formatting. So here in Excel we can do like formatting by giving some conditions also. Like here I'm going to do, okay, suppose first of all select the area. Now click on conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, click on it, click on greater than. Okay, greater than. Now it is asking format cell that are greater than, means it will format those cells that are greater than with light red color. If you cannot see it, I'll just zoom it. Okay, now it is visible. So I'm just going to give some conditions to it. Format cell that are greater than 60. I'll give 60. So format those cells only which are greater than 60 and with light red fill with dark red, or you can by your own choice, like you can give yellow also, green fill with dark green. Okay, I'll select green fill with dark green, means just see. Okay, click on OK. Now here you can see those marks which are more than 60 are filled with green color. Okay. Now I'll just once again I'll do it. Conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. Now I'll give less than. I'll select less than. Click on less than. Now I'll write more than less than 50 or 59. Now format cells that are less than 59 and with red fill with dark red text. Okay. Now it will format those, first of all you have to select the area, then go to conditional formatting. Okay, less than, and write down here 59, means those marks which are less than, those percentage which are less than 59, please color with fill with red. See, this is only, this marks is 50 and less than 59, not this. Because why? Because this is more than 50, this is 59.8. Okay. So this is how we can do the conditional formatting. We can do it here also. Okay, in all the subjects. Okay, now first select the area, all the subjects, English, Hindi, Math, Science. Go to conditions, highlight less than 50. Now those marks which are less than 50 will be colored with red. So there are like Sinchan got 45, 42, Nobita got 45 in Hindi. So only these are the marks which are less than 50. So this is how we can do conditional formatting. Now next is formatting with style. In Excel, uh, you can use style to apply preset formatting design to your worksheet data. You can apply table style to group of worksheet data, or you can apply cell style to individual cells. Now you can see I'll just zoom it. Okay, now see here we have so first of all, select the whole area where you want the formatting to be done. Like this, I've selected the area from A3 to I12. Okay. Now, after that, go to format as table. Now, you will see many predefined table here. Okay, like I'll select this. Wow, where is the data your table? Okay, just click on OK. See the changes. Okay, now these are like roll number, name, English. Now they all are having a arrow here. So through these arrow you can do many things, like suppose I want the first the highest scorer should be on the top here. Okay, so here Ram is the highest scorer, 96.2. So I want it in here in the top, means in the decreasing order. The topmost here, what I will do is I'll just select the percentage area. Okay, select the percentage area, click on this arrow and sort smallest to largest or largest to smallest. Now I want largest to smallest. Just click on it and you can see the changes here. Okay, now see Ram, which was on the seventh roll number, seventh line, is now at the topmost, and Sham is at the second because he got the second highest marks, then the third highest marks, and the last one is Sinchan, who got 48.8 only. So this is how you can rearrange your data, your worksheet. Okay, I'll do one more thing for you, like sort A to Z. Now sort A to Z means all the name starting from A to Z. See, now Bhim is on the top. B, D, Jagu is J, Nobita. So likewise you can do all the condition formatting here. And this is all about this Excel formatting feature. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.